Today this Huawei P8 is being repaired. In the video you will see how to change only the glass on it. I have a working matrix, by the way, taken from it. Repartition was expected. Glass was also altered from it. Now I'll connect everything together and put a new one instead of the broken display module. Hello to everyone and let's start. So, to begin, I completely disassembled the phone. Who doesn't know how to disassemble it? The link appeared now at the right top. All elements, rubber bands, speakers, etc. have been removed from the body. The body needs to the center of the display. First, let's connect and check the LCD. Connect everything and turn it on. There is great a picture, and the touchscreen on it also works. Let's remove and glue. If you are making a phone for your children and you know that they will break it again, then don't bother. You managed to cut the module, just take and glue the LCD to the case and the glass along the contour, with a layer like in old phones. And then you will only change the glass, if the display remains intact. In the meantime, let's roughly show you how the display modules are separated. Detailed instruction in the prompt at the right top, or you can find them in many of my similar videos. Take such a wire to separate the modules, put the phone on separator or heat it with a hair dryer. Turn vacuum and carefully separate the display module with a wire. After that, remove all the glue from the display. It's easy. Leave the LCD heated and simply roll the glue with your fingers. Then take isopropyl alcohol and just clean the surface to the end. That's all. Now let's try to connect my module. Take the display, insert it into the frame and wipe it off again from dust and all mud. Next, take such ultraviolet glue TP2500. It's really used to glue AMOLED displays without backlight. On backlight the glue always flow inside. But let's try again. This backlight is glued well. Let's hope for the best. Applying glue to the surface, preferably in the same way. This method eliminates the formation of air. Let the glue spread. After that, take the glass, remove the shipping films and put it on. Hold it with your hand on one edge, carefully and slowly lower it on the other side with a needle. If you drop quickly, you will get a lot of bubbles that you can't get out later. Well, I didn't quite succeed in lowering it neatly. The needle went away and the glass didn't touch the glue. And so many bubbles were formed. But it should be without them. Well, this is not the first time I have done this. Just take them and push them out of the frame a little. So, finally, I removed all the bubbles. After that, wipe off the excess glue. Press the glass so that it doesn't accidentally peel off and put it under ultraviolet lamp for 3-5 minutes. No longer worth it, otherwise you don't peel the display out of the frame. Time is up. Take the display and try to get it out, carefully with minimal effort. Unstuck it, remove excess glue from both sides and put it warm for 10 minutes, so that the glue is completely frozen. Buy in different shops with savings up to 30%. The cashback service letyshops.com. More than 2 million users are already saving with us. Join to Letyshops. Links in description. Also remove the glue from the frame and clean the rest under hot water with soap and toothbrush. Everything is easy to clean. Next, take out the display and clean all surfaces, and clean all cables and contacts. Finally, wipe it and see the result. Looks great, no bubbles or dust. But this is not yet an indicator of success. Let's plug it in and see what's with backlight. Well, as I already see, the backlight still flooded. Look at the two corners below, the glue has spilled. The rest of the circle is clear. It turned out as always. We'll try again. As it is, if you have an opinion on how to protect the backlight, write comments. Well, it's okay. The phone is for a child and most likely again for a short time. So install it in place. Take Glue B7000 and apply it along the contour. Don't forget to install the top speaker mesh. Pass the cable through and center the model. Better fix the mesh in place, otherwise it may burst the edge of the glass. Press on all edge and fix with clothespin or with something else for half an hour. After half an hour, you can put the phone back together. The glue is completely dry after 24 hours. Collect it. Don't forget to pull all the rubber bands, speakers and all the small elements. Install motherboard back, connect the cables, glue double-sided tape under the battery and glue the battery. Connect the coaxial cable and turn on the phone. Put on the protective covers and tighten the last screws. And once again check all the functions on the phone. Camera, speakers, microphone and so on. After you are sure that everything was in order, close the back cover, insert the SIM card slot back and clamp it with clothespins to dry. That's all, the repair is over. Did the video help or just you like it? Put like. And also don't forget to watch my other videos and click on the circle in the center of the screen and subscribe to the Art Bell channel.